Physical education is an integral part of the education program, purposely to promote the optimum development of an individual physically, socially, emotionally, and mentally through total movement in the performance of properly selected physical activities. Vision: Center of Inclusive Education in Building Discipline and Good Character for God and Humanity. From the word inclusive education, kapag sinabing ganun, pantay-pantay ang mga pagtingin o kahit ano man yung gender mo or kahit ano man yung status mo sa buhay, ano man color ng skin mo, pantay-pantay ang pagtanggap ng school ng City College of Calapan. Mission: to provide trainings and experiences in the sciences and professions. Sinasabi dito na ang school natin ay nagpo-provide din ng mga trainings like sa mga sports or kahit anumang mga aktibidad na maaring ma-provide ng ating institution. Philosophy: we create possibilities for lifelong learning. Sinasabi dito na kahit anuman yung mga sagabal sa iyong pag-aaral or kahit anuman ang maaring maging problema, we create possibilities. Gagawa at gagawa tayo ng mga posibilidad na maaring masolusyonan yung ating mga problems, to and also to continuously acquire our knowledge, skills, and competencies throughout our lives.